Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share very interesting information about Germany, and I hope you will like this information and it will increase your knowledge. Before I came to Germany, I had no idea about history of Germany or things like that. So one time I was new to Germany, and there was like 9th November date was that, and it was Saturday. So there was one restaurant and it named Crystal, and so it was anniversary of that restaurant. So they celebrated that day and night. Actually, it was night. They celebrated the theme as Kristallnacht. Nacht is for night, so it is like Crystal is the name of the restaurant. So Crystal Night, they named it like that party. And there were so many complaints against that restaurant, and the restaurant had to close for a short period of time. They had to close. They had to apologize that why they are celebrating 9th November as a Kristallnacht. And I wondered why. And the thing is, 9th November is actually a very happy day for Germany. Why? Because 9th November was the day when Berlin Wall fell, and the East Germany and West Germany came together. They unified, but they don't celebrate 9th November as a unity day. They celebrate actually 3rd October as unity day. And I also thought that okay, 3rd October because they signed the papers and everything, and on 9th November there was just a Berlin Wall, which divided East Germany and the West Germany from Russia occupied Germany, from that West occupied Germany. The wall was broken. Many of you already know that. So they don't celebrate with 9th November at all. Yeah, people know that 9th November it fell, but they don't celebrate it. So what was the reason? And I had no idea, because when I was small, it was 1989, and I remember the celebrations it showed on the TV when Berlin Wall fell. People were so excited that we will meet from West Germany. People could finally meet the people from the East Germany. Relatives were divided, they were separated, but now they could meet. It was a very big day. It was a very big thing which happened 9th November, but still they don't celebrate it. They don't consider 9th November as a good day, and there is a very big reason behind it. There is no superstition that 9th November is something bad date or ominous day or something like that. The only reason German people are so sensitive about 9th November, because 9th November was the date when so many Jewish synagogues, synagogues are the temple of Jews, their houses, their shops, they were burned. Thousands of Jews were executed in the regime of Hitler. It was 9th November 1938 to be precise, and that was the day when Nazi Germany, that Nazism was at the peak. It was totally vandalism. It was a very bad night, and that night was named as Kristallnacht because it was like there was totally fires everywhere. Everything was burning related to Jews. So many Jews got killed that day. So many Jews were sent to the concentration camp. That is why this date is so sensitive for the Germans. They don't like what happened on that day. They don't want to celebrate this date. They remember this date as a date which they regret that day. They regret what happened in that time, and they are really sorry for that, but they don't want to celebrate that day. And remember, I told you about the restaurant in the beginning of the video, that Kristallnacht. So Kristallnacht, it was exact the same term they gave to that day, 9th November 1938, that was a Kristallnacht. So that is why it was like, it is like a taboo. It is like prohibited to name something like Kristallnacht. It is so sensitive for the Jews. Actually, I really like this thing about Germans, that they are so sensitive about other people's feelings, that they remember their history and they don't want to celebrate 9th November as such, even if so many good things happened on 9th November, but still they don't want to celebrate it just because on that day something happened which was a crime against humanity. So that is why I hope you now know the reason why 9th November is not celebrated as the fall of the Berlin Wall, but it is a Unity Day is celebrated on 3rd October when papers are officially signed in 1990, but they don't celebrate 9th November for the fall of the Berlin Wall as such. Yeah, they do remember that, okay, 9th November Berlin fall was, but so many celebrations to term it as a holiday. National holiday is on 3rd October, otherwise 9th November is not even a holiday, national holiday or something like that. So I hope you learned something today from my video, and if you want to watch some similar content and if you liked it, please hit the like button. It will motivate me a lot to get some appreciation from you, and please do subscribe to my channel. I really need your support, and please also give me your feedback, what other type of content you want to watch, and what do you like about my videos, what you don't like about my videos. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay happy, and stay blessed. Bye bye.